Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make school mask effect in Voice Changer with Effects app. But first I just want to mention, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm gonna show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy and how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, when we open the map, as we can see, we have a lot of options. But first, we need to record something. For record an audio file, press the microphone icon on the top center. And we have to say something. For example, let's say, "Hello guys, I will show you how to change your voice with this app." Now we could choose from ton of different effects. For the school mask effect, we have to scroll down a little bit and press on the play button next to the school mask test.
Hello guys, I will show you how to change your voice with this app.
That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye.